Hey guys, it's Dr. Dave here, and we're here to do some science experiments. I've been watching a lot of YouTube and a lot of Facebook videos, and I don't think half those things work. But we're gonna try each and every one of them. We're gonna try every science experiment, and I invited myself, Dr. Dave, to do all the experiments. I apologize with my lab coat. This quarantine's taking quite some time. But before you know it, we're gonna get to the bottom of all 4 major science experiments. Come with me. The first experiment we're gonna do is we're gonna do the experiment where you can make a bouncing egg and a see-through egg. I don't get it, because last I saw, all eggs are bouncing and all eggs see-through. See, I don't know why I need distilled vinegar and an egg for 24 hours to make a bouncing egg. All eggs bounce. Now on for the real experiment. I got a glass, I got an egg, and I got some distilled vinegar. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna gently put the egg into the glass. I'm gonna pour some distilled vinegar, cover the egg. Now you see, the egg is completely covered. And we're gonna put it in and we're gonna leave it for 24 hours. And then we'll see what we got. It's been 24 hours and we've had our egg in vinegar, and we're gonna check whether or not it's see-through, whether or not it bounces, a lot of all the fun things that we've seen on the video. So I'm gonna take my spoon, I'm gonna fish it out. I'm actually gonna dump it in water just for a second, just to wash off some of the extra vinegar. First of all, right off the bat, if you zoom in a little bit, it kind of disintegrated the shell, which is pretty cool. I'm just wiping it off. This is science at its best, guys. That it is in fact a see-through egg. Let me take a flashlight, see what happens. Look at that. Now, for the ultimate test, let's see if it bounces. Didn't bounce, but it is see-through, and it was jelly, and it was cool. So I'm gonna have to say, the egg was a Facebook, YouTube half. It didn't fail entirely. The shell disintegrated, it was cool, it was glowing, it blew up, you were able to see inside, it was all gooey, but did it bounce? Nope. So that, and that, and that, and that, and that's what we got. I've been seeing a lot of videos on YouTube about making lava lamps. I'm not sure how I can make a lava lamp out of 4 ingredients, but I'll give it a try. First ingredient is canola oil, food coloring, water, and Alka-Seltzer. So the first thing we're gonna do 3/4 of the cup, some high quality H2O water. Then we're gonna pour some brand new oil, and we're gonna only do a little bit. And then we got ourselves a nice mixture of oil and water. Could anybody tell me why the oil doesn't go to the bottom? You're gonna have to ask a real scientist for that, but I'll give you the answer in a few. Think about it, I'm just kidding. So, what we're gonna do is pick a color. Pick color, any color, I'll let you pick. Blue? Okay, sounds good. Blue it is then. I'm gonna pour 2 drops, 1, 2, and 3, 1 for good luck. Then I'm gonna mix it around, a little color. So what does that form? Beautiful blue color. Nice. Looks delicious. Now I'm gonna take some Alka-Seltzer. Let's see if we get the effects that we're looking for. And we're gonna see let's see if it works. Wow. Amazing. That's truly incredible. Listen to the crackle. Wow. I'd say that's a success. Great job! In case you were wondering, the answer to that question is that water molecules are heavier than oil molecules. So therefore, when you pour oil and water and you mix them both together, the water stays on the bottom and the lighter molecules, which are the oil, floats to top. Thank you, Google. Everybody's making rainbows. All different types of rainbows. People are coloring rainbows, people are drawing rainbows, people are doing rainbows out of chalk, out of cardboard, out of gasoline, out of different types of things. People are using a lot of rainbows. So this one is gonna be rainbow popcorn. People say it works, we're gonna go give it a try. What I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna turn my oven on very carefully. I'm gonna pour a little bit of oil. We're gonna pour some popcorn. And then we're gonna pour some M&Ms. And a teaspoon of salt. Now, we're gonna let everything heat up. I'm gonna cover it for a few minutes until we start popping. I hear it popping. Whoa, let's mix it around. We're still gonna keep it covered. We're just gonna give it a little mix around and see if we get our rainbow popcorn. Remember, rainbow is a sign for hope, a sign for a complete ending for this disaster. So hopefully, God willing, we'll see a rainbow of the end of this terrible virus. So here popping. We're gonna check about how the popcorn and the rainbows are happening. See a lot of popcorn. See a lot of chocolate. We're gonna have to pour it into a bowl. I'm gonna have to call a YouTube, Facebook myth, because you could tell me that popcorn's gonna be delicious, and I hear it popping, and I can't wait to get a taste of this stuff. But is it rainbow popcorn? More like chocolate popcorn to me. So let's see what we got. Very carefully, take the pot, turn the oven off, pour it. So we got some chocolate covered popcorn. I see a piece of blue over there. I'm gonna have to say it's a fail. Tell you one thing, we didn't see any rainbows, but we sure have delicious chocolate covered popcorn.
Let me finish it before my kids get home. Oh man, I forgot this homeschooling.
So now we're gonna try the Mentos soda explosion, and we're gonna see if it actually works, if we're gonna get a whole explosion of foam and soda and fireworks and everything. We're just gonna have to see, because on YouTube I'm seeing a lot of wild and crazy videos, and I just want to see if the average Joe, in my case an average doctor, can see if it works. So let's check it out. First we're gonna put a bottle of soda. I'm gonna save a little bit for when I pour it in at the end. I'm gonna do some dish soap. Also guys, I should remind you guys, don't try this at home. And now, it again by closing it and giving it a nice shake. Okay? Willing to try anything for science? Like all scientists do, when something fails, you gotta try it again until it works. So here we are again. I called some of my friends and they gave me some pointers on how to make it work. So let's try it again. I got my Diet Coke and I got some Mentos. Hope you had fun watching the video. Just want to remind everybody that just because you wear a white lab coat, some goggles, and have perfect hair, it doesn't mean you're a scientist. But we all tried. We did a lot of the YouTube experiments. Some failed, some were success, and I'm glad you joined me. Thank you. Any scientist worth their weight of gold knows you gotta wear protective gear when working with science. There are a lot of chemicals and a lot of hard things that we have to make sure that we protect our eyes and protect our hands. Protect our eyes. Don't worry about the hands. An antacid pain reliever. What is this called?
Alka-Seltzer.
Alka-Seltzer. They say it helps heartburn. I think it's pretty cool. Okay, we're gonna start over. We're gonna mix it around a little bit. I'm gonna mix it around a little bit. I'm gonna mix it around a little bit. Look at that! A spoon. I'm gonna mix. People eat these things. It's good. What bracha do you make? No? Let's see how it tastes. Let's not see how it tastes.